The last Mediterranean ports under Field Marshal Rommel's control fall one by one, passing under Allied command. Dönitz is forced to reposition his U-boats once again. U-455 has escaped British and American forces in the North Sea, in the middle of the Atlantic, and along the African coast. It must now join the fight in the Mediterranean. On January 6, 1944, Gerhard Schwarz and Helmut Spitzer leave Lorient. In the early days of the war, the submarines were cheered on by the crowd as they left port. Today, they depart in silence. The two men look out to sea as a new obstacle rises in front of the boat's stem: Gibraltar.
For German submarines during World War II, passing Gibraltar was a real challenge. The strait's very narrow. It's a British fort whose team of escorts, planes, and radar are on the watch 24 hours a day.
This expedition is once again an ordeal. The British have sunk 9 U-boats in the past few months. 10 others had to abandon the idea of passing through the strait following heavy combat. How can U-455 succeed where so many have failed? Given the amount of enemy traffic, Commander Scheibe decided to pass through the strait at night and take advantage of the currents entering the Mediterranean.
We couldn't navigate with the diesel engines. We had to move in complete silence, propelled only very slightly by the electric engines. We had to wear cork-soled shoes so as not to make any noise when walking on the metal. We weren't allowed to speak either. Succeeding in passing through Gibraltar was a truly heroic act in those days.
After 40 hours underwater, U-455 finally surfaces. The oxygen level inside the submarine is very low and the men are close to fainting. But who cares? They made it through the strait. They are returning from their 9th mission